Hey my beauties, so we're back with another video. This video right here, I'm showing you the length of my natural hair. I did clip my ends, which I did not put in the video, but I'm showing you my natural hair and how it looks before I braided up and put the wig cap on. But yeah, this video I'm going to be showing you how I apply my lace front wig, and this is going to be my first time using the lace bond glue, which is by Ghost Bond, and I'm going to pretty much just show you guys that. And also I'm going to be using the Got2b Glue Freeze Spray. I'm showing you the unit that I'm going to be using. Yeah, so I'm very excited about this. Stay tuned and watch the whole video so that you can see how this all turned out. And if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, and all my oncoming viewers, make sure that you like and comment and share, because you know sharing is caring. But yeah, make sure that you share and like the video, and I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next video. This video is not going to be a talking video. I just want you guys to see exactly what I'm doing. So yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Okay guys, so this is the final look. I have put, I don't know if I showed, I couldn't remember if I showed you in the beginning of the video that I have put this in here in a bottle of water and shook it up, and I sprayed it in my hair. It made the curls really defined and really nice. So yeah, but I did kind of like fluff them out a little bit because I kind of wanted the bigger look. But if you don't like it like really big look, then you can just spray it and let it air dry, and I'm telling you, those curls are the truth. One thing that I don't like about the wig is the parting space is really short. I expected it to be a little bit longer, but that's okay. Other than that, I do like the wig. It is very soft. I wish I would have gotten a longer wig. I got 20-inch and I thought it would have been a little bit longer. I wish I would. Now I know next time I get a curly wig, I'll get like a 24. But this is cute though. I mean, it's not too bad. I don't know if you can see it or not, but it stops like bra strap length. I kind of would like it to be a little bit longer because, as you guys can see at the beginning of the video when I showed you my real hair is long, so I like my wigs to be longer than my real hair. Like, I like it to mimic my real hair, but longer, because this, I mean, this is cute though. So I'm gonna rock this for a little while. One thing that I will say, I didn't really like the Ghost Bond, only because, well, it could be my fault because that's my first time ever using the Ghost Bond, and it did not like dry clear. I don't know if I put too much of a thick layer on. That could have been it. I may have put too much of a thick layer on, and maybe that's why, but it was still white. As you guys can see in the beginning of the video, it was still white. So actually what I had to do is I pretty much did my baby hairs, laid you know, all of that down, put a scarf on to lay my hair down, and basically like I set it overnight, and then in the morning, as you'll see earlier in the video, this morning I had took some alcohol and I rubbed the white residue from the Ghost Bond off. So it did make it look a lot better. As you can see, you don't see the residue. I mean, you can still see it a little bit right here, but I can get that off. That's not much, but yeah. So I could possibly not be using it right because I'm not 100% sure how to use it because I've never used it before. But yeah, I do like this wig. It's really pretty. It's nice and full. These curls are beautiful. I like the poofy look, and I also like the tamed, curly, more subtle look. So you can, you know, wear it in different ways. This is really pretty. Like I said, the only thing I wish is that it had more of a parting space. I might try a middle part. I really don't do middle parts, but it might be cute. I don't know, but I'm really liking this wig. This is really soft. It didn't have any smell, any odor. Like, this is bomb. And when I tell you this wig was only $95 for 20 inches, this is a good buy. I'll definitely leave the link in the description box below if you're interested in purchasing this wig. And like I said, I mean, if you're interested in purchasing this, maybe I didn't use it right, so leave a comment below if you have any tips for me. But after I did that, it does seem it's really sturdy. Like, it's on there. This baby is on there for sure. No lifting or anything. And it looks pretty good ever since I put the alcohol on it and cleaned the residue. So far so good other than that. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. I think it looks pretty good. I think I did pretty good for my first time using the glue, the lace glue. But yeah, don't forget to leave a comment below, like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. Help me grow my channel. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in the next video. Mwah. Bye.